of a pizza did you get? She just said you want pizza and you said yes. She said you want pizza and you said yes.
It's a pizza stick. It's like you don't make them in different ways. Got pepperoni and cheese in it. All of them do. They done fire cool.
I don't eat food from gas stations.
You missing out. It's done fire.
It's not. You remember, you don't have no bathroom to go to.
If I'm outside, I got a bathroom to go to. You didn't have.
You got some tissue?
Is it them trees? What them trees got on? Check out. Take that with me. I could just be hungry.
Yeah, that could be it. That legitimately could be it.
But she said she just cooked them.
She just cooked them. She just said that 20 minutes ago to the people who walked in.
I said she just cooked them. I ain't say she.
That woman been saying that to everybody that walk into the
I didn't
sit
say
go.
she didn't. I'm just telling you what she said. I didn't say she was telling the truth. I just said the woman said.
And you believed her.
I didn't say I believed her. I didn't tell you what she said.
I just hope you ain't gotta go to the bathroom.
What? I eat gas station food.
How what?
I eat gas station food. Been eating it all my life.
All right, we're here at Burgess Fall Trails. As I shared earlier in this video, we won't be able to go down, but I can actually hear the water rushing, so it looks like we'll be able to see some water and maybe get close to it. I don't think we can go to the bottom though. Let's get into it. Get into these trails. done falling, and I mean mean falling with all pun, because I legitimately fell. Oh my gosh, Burgess Falls tried to take me out. That river was so slick. But I kept that phone in the air though. Where's your mama, little boy? How did you get over here? What is going on? These people be getting to these places and get excited and be leaving their kids. Well, I don't even know where his mama is. You can't look at him looking back. These people be getting to these places and be getting so excited. Children just be everywhere. Just all over the place, just loose. So yeah, really cool. Burgess Falls is really nice. They had some stairs to go down, like to the bottom of the falls, but they were closed for whatever reason. It looked like a storm or something had come through and damaged the stairs, so they were closed. But we were still able to get like some really good. Like we were able to get some really good. Chris got some really good shots. Me, not so much. I should have stayed my behind on the dry land. But I did get a chance to see some good things. So it was fun. It really was. I do want to try Fall Creek Falls. Because I hear like that one is like they're like 7 or 8 falls that you can see. That's like one of the places where you need like hours and days. But Cummings Falls actually had camping grounds where you can camp. I'm still trying to figure out if that's me or not. I don't know. Passing by, I was like, oh, this is cute. But then actually camping, I may be like, what in the world was I thinking? So I'm gonna see. We gonna see. They did have RVs too, like RV hookups and stuff. So that may be, I may need to start with the RV first, then tent. But it was really cool. It was really, really cool. I would definitely like to get to Knoxville to like get some white water rafting and lazy rivers. I've been a few times in Maryland, and so going to Knoxville to see what Knoxville was like would be fun. So we shall see.